Assalamualaikum and hi Wibi to everyone that is watching our video. Today we would like to present about our clothing and we will break down about our products and our budget for this clothing company. Now let us meet the team. Firstly, we have AMNI AFIQAH AZHAR. Next we have AINUN SYAFIAH HUSNUN, and lastly we have Aleeya HASLIZA. Now, let's move on to about our company. Our company name is AAA Clothing. AAA Clothing is a goods and service-oriented business. The general idea of this business is to satisfy the need of customer with the latest fashion to upgrade their style. We set up this business by selling different kind of t-shirts and sweatshirts. And our main target is teenagers and adults that love stylish look but still remain comfy in their outfit. We strive to empower in clothes innovation and design to provide the best quality for our beloved customer satisfaction. This company was established in 2018, which was based in Selangor, and our company have been operating for 5 years and counting. Our materials are premium and suitable for every occasion to ensure that our customer have the most enjoyable experience while wearing clothes. We serve our customer with a wide variety of designs and materials. Until now, AAA Clothing has attracted the attention of new customers every time a new clothing is released, moreover among youngsters. Our paid-up capital comes from the amount of money that has been invested by the shareholders in exchange for shares of the company stock. The paid-up capital is crucial for the business operation because it provides initial funding for things like purchasing the raw material and paying rent. Our authorized capital is Rm 1 million and our issued capital is Rm 500,000 and our paid-up capital is Rm 500,000. Next, let's move on to our business location. Our business is located in number 5B Jalan Astaka 1C/KU2 Bandar Bukit Raja 41050 Kelang, Selangor. This downtown shopping district is a famous and a hot place among youngsters, and it is where people will go to for shopping and entertainment. Moreover, customers can get here easily by various types of public transportation such as bus stop or metro stations. This location is an ideal place to set up a business as it is the most famous go-to place for people when they are searching for clothes. Now we will move on to the list of directors and portfolios. Firstly, on the top we have chairperson. Next, in the organization we have board of directors, and then we have chief executive officer, and now we go down and we will have AMNI AFIQAH AZHAR as Chief Operating Officer, AINUN SYAFIAH HUSNUN as Chief Financial Officer, and lastly, we have Aleeya HASLIZA as Chief Marketing Officer, and that's the end of our organization. We will now break down on our products. Our first product is a t-shirt with a selling price of 49 ringgit per t-shirt. This t-shirt is a comfy and a short sleeve type that will go well in summer for its cool and comforting material. The material of the t-shirt is a microfiber eyelet and its cost per unit is Rm40. And another material is cotton and the cost per unit for this material is 20 ringgit, and this t-shirt is famous for its lightweight design.
Our second product is a sweatshirt that we sell at 69 ringgit per unit. Our sweatshirt have two types of material, which is cotton that costs around 25 ringgit per unit and polyester 22 ringgit and 50 cents per unit. We introduce our sweatshirt with a simple and aesthetic design, variety of color, and also have a high quality of material. Next, moving on to our budget calculation. First and foremost is sales budget. For t-shirt, we estimate to sales 3,000 units for Q1 and 21,000 units for Q2. Meanwhile, for sweatshirt, we target to sales 15,000 units for Q1 and 3,000 units for Q2. Hence, the total sales in Q1 will be 1,182,000 ringgit and Q2 1,226,000 ringgit. Second is about our production budget, whereby expected sales unit is added with closing stock and minus by opening stock. In quarter 1, the production required for t-shirt is 2,850 unit. For the sweatshirt, 15,150 unit. The total will be 80,000 unit in quarter 1. Meanwhile, in quarter 2, the production required for t-shirt is 21,300 unit, plus with the 2,925 unit for the sweatshirt. The total will be 24,225 unit. After we determine the production required, we can proceed to direct material purchase budget. But before that, we have to find the direct material usage budget in order to determine the purchase budget. Material A that need to be purchased for quarter 1 is amount 39,550 ringgit. In quarter 2, 302,750 ringgit. Material B that need to be purchased in quarter 1 is amount 50,500 ringgit. Meanwhile, in quarter 2, 431,500 ringgit. Followed by material C that need to be purchased in quarter 1 is 327,375 ringgit. Meanwhile, in quarter 2, 50,570 ringgit. Lastly is material D, which is in quarter 1, 370,750 ringgit. In quarter 2, 56,130 ringgit. So how to determine the direct material purchase? Here are the steps. The total material usage that we calculate earlier will be added with closing stock and minus by opening stock. After that, we will get the total material to be purchased. For the price, we just need 2 times with the price per unit needed.
Next is direct labor cost budget. We use 2 different labels, which are label A for designer and label B for sewer. For label A, the average rate is around 12 ringgit per hour for 5 days a week, which gives a total 233,100 in quarter 1 for shirt and sweatshirt, or 480,500 in quarter 2 for both clothes. For label B, the average rate is around 8 ringgit per hour for 5 days a week, which gives a total 102,300 in quarter 1 for shirt and sweatshirt, while 102,750 ringgit in quarter 2 for both clothes. Next slide is factory overhead budget that consists of variable and fixed costs. The total variable cost is 25,177 ringgit for quarter 1 and 21,877 ringgit for quarter 2. The fixed cost for first and second quarter is same, which is 386,500 ringgit. Therefore, total production overhead is 411,677 ringgit for first and 408,377 ringgit for second quarter. Now, let's move on to selling and administration overhead budget. This cost consists of sales commission and freight out for variable costs, advertising, driver salaries, salesman salaries, administrative salaries, and depreciation of motor vehicles for fixed costs. Hence, the total for first quarter is 120,722 ringgit and 122,465 ringgit for second quarter. Lastly, represents our extract budgeted statement of comprehensive income for quarter 1 and 2 in year 2025. Our expected sales for quarter 1 is 1,182 ringgit and 1,236 ringgit. This will give gross profit 342,000 for quarter 1 and 456,000 for quarter 2. After deducting all expenses including income tax for 17%, the expected net profit for quarter 1 is 190,716 ringgit and 283,516 ringgit for quarter 2, which is quite profitable. That's all from us. Thank you for listening to AAA Clothing Company's budget statement.